Okay, we're getting ready to pull things out so we can paint, and I am super excited, as you can tell, that I'm pulling out the entire dinette set. What Nick doesn't know is my intention is not to put it back in. I was able to convince him, and this video is going to show some of the steps that he did to build the dog crate bench seat. So here we go. Here he has done all of his measurements, and he's cutting out just the pieces that he needs to start framing in the bench seat. So I just wanted to get a little video of that. So he has all the pieces cut out, and now he's using some brackets and attaching them all together. And now he's using his router to make the edges nice and smooth and a little rounded and give a nice finish to it. There will be some electrical wires that have to be fed through the bottom of this, so he cut that out and smoothed it down to make it look nice. And then now he is cutting the back rest for the bench seat. So he had to do 2 pieces, and he'll have to attach those together as well. Okay, so he needed to drill some more holes for more of the electrical wires that have to come through. So that's what he's doing here. Sorry, for some reason my camera wouldn't focus. So here he has everything put together, and he has to get all the wires together and put the crate tray and everything in there and make sure it works, which he was a little concerned, and he said hopefully it works, but we will see. And it worked. What a difference. And there is Callie the Bulldog, Mrs. Noodle as we call her, in there enjoying her bed. So there is the finished product. We absolutely love it. The before and after, you can see that what a huge difference. We still have to decorate. We need to finish adding some things to the walls and build the table that goes with it and other things. So please let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and watch for more of our projects. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.